So around 2019, we were looking for money. We were looking for anything that might help us stay solvent, and searching through files in the office, and they found some paperwork that said Community Foundation for Mississippi on it. Called Community Foundation and found that our money that we had left in there for almost a decade, over $100,000, had been growing slowly, and it was sort of a new breath of life for us. One, funds to keep our doors open, but two, knowing that we already had an established relationship with Community Foundation was really helpful. And so since then, we've been able to put more money into the Community Foundation. We've leveraged their support in raising money and managing our money well. They've been a huge help in terms of helping out with paperwork, keeping our money secure. You could put it, I guess, with any other financial investment company, but then you don't have the access to other nonprofits in the area. You don't have that sort of sage advice from people who do nothing but help manage finances of nonprofits.
The water funds were instrumental in our ability to help patients. Landscape of Jackson, as you all know, water access is kind of difficult. Thankfully, I don't know, somehow y'all's email ended up in my inbox, because this whole time I was stressing, I was like, this isn't sustainable. And we were able to apply for y'all's grant funding through the Walton Foundation and able to provide water every weekend now when our patients come. The funds actually helped us do a lot of different things this past year as well. We've expanded gynecological services, and so we've now opened a weeknight clinic for Gynecology Day. That's always fully booked. Women are getting IUDs and pap smears and biopsies and all these important reproductive health services. So we capitalized on that with these water funds. That's been really amazing. People really benefited from that event, and I feel like CFM has been super helpful. I was able to write the grant, and y'all helped me through the proposal and then doing the records and the submissions afterwards. Anyone can do it and anyone can apply, and that's opened a lot of doors for us.
By giving money to the Community Foundation to distribute grants to nonprofits like us, every dollar is going towards our mission. It nourishes that nonprofit and community ecosystem that allows multiple organizations to thrive just by having sort of a hub for nonprofits to connect both financially and sharing sort of those grant purposes, but also through similar missions. It's really important. We see over 1,000 individual patients a year, over 2,500 medical visits, not to mention the outreach events we do all over Mississippi. Yeah, it's a special place.
I just hope that people continue to invest in places that matter. And I hope that people use places like CFM and donate that money and, use their voices and advocate for change in a way that people can access healthcare and all these other important social needs and help make us a really good and healthy, happy community.